Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is going to be about Primark makeup, can you believe it? So let's get started. I'm going to start with this eyeshadow palette. It's called Urban. I'm going to start with this light pink, and I just can't believe that this eyeshadow palette even have names. I'm completely surprised. So this eyeshadow that I'm using, it's called Mirage. Now I'm going to use Saffron. Okay, I still can't believe how good these eyeshadows are. Primark. Seriously? Wow, I am amazed. Now it's time to use Rust. Now with the angle brush, I'm going to use Mulberry. So this burgundy eyeshadow, I'm going to make sure that I apply on my crease, because then when I clean, it's going to be very beautiful. Now I'm using the concealer from Maybelline, the anti-aging eraser, and I've just made my cut crease perfect, and this is a perfect halo cut crease. So moving on to the next step, I'm using this yellow eyeshadow called Ambition. Now using the Glow palette, also from Primark, I'm using this orange eyeshadow. Well, it's a highlighter, but you can use it as eyeshadow. And I think with the yellow on the middle, it's perfect. Since this tutorial is about affordable makeup, I'm using this glitter eyeliner from Poundland. I know, I just can't believe it's like £1 glitter, but look how beautiful it is when you apply it. It's so stunning. To do my eyeliner, I've used Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. As mascara, I'm going to use Vollume Medium Lash and So Couture from L'Oreal. I'm going to use now the false lashes from Pinky Goat, and these are called Lina. So I'm gonna do the other eye, and surprise, both eyes are done, and I hope you like it. I love these colors. I love orange. It looks like sunshine. Now let's do my face, and I'm using the Custom Glow highlight drops, also from Primark, and I really have to try this. I am excited to try this. Okay, nothing came out. Let's try it again. Yeah, definitely it's glowy. Oh, wow, it is very glowy. So now using the foundation from Primark, I got a sample, and this one is the Longwear matte foundation, and the shade is called Toffee. Concealer, I'm using what I've used before to do my cut crease, and it's the Maybelline anti-age eraser, and I'm just showing you the foundation, how it looks. The color is perfect. So I was saying this concealer, the shade is number 2, and it's called Nude. Anyway, everything will be in the description. I am really happy with this foundation. The color is amazing. Now using banana powder, also from Primark. Yeah, because this is all about Primark. I'm gonna set my eyes and the rest of my face. This powder it's too yellow. When I've took it off the powder at the end, I've realized that it was a little bit dark than I was expecting. So I would say that this is better for face and not for eyes. Now it's time for eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in color Expresso. I've used in my previous videos, probably you've seen it. So it's done. And now just brushing it off the powder. For lips, I'm going to use the Smart Lip Pencil from Kiko 705 and also the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick Orange County. For highlighter, also from Primark, I'm using this Glow Getter palette and I'm using the color Frost. To set my makeup, I'm using Lock It from Kat Von D setting spray. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial about Primark makeup. If you did, please subscribe my channel. Please follow my Instagram as well. And thank you so much for your support. Bye!